Hello and welcome to WPLMS tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use math equations, chemistry formulas, and physics in your WPLMS site. So in WPLMS, we have created an editor which is specifically for education purpose, and it supports LaTeX for mathematical, chemistry, and physics equations. So let's see how it works. So we are going to edit any course. So let's edit this course. And we go to any curriculum and we create a new unit. Now, since we are using the editor, it is available in quizzes as well as assignments. And let's see how this works. So we click on the rich text editor by clicking on the T, and then the editor opens. So you can pin the interface here, and this editor provides all the basic functionality, including bold, italics, underline, and then the headings. So to write in the math equation, we have to press in the dollar sign, and then the math editor opens. And here, when we are typing LaTeX, it gets created into this mathematical formula. So let's copy some complex formula and see how it works. And we press dollar and we paste the equation. And here you can see that the additional slashes are not required for adding the math equation. Similarly, for a chemistry formula, and just like the math, we press dollar and then we paste the equation. And here you can see the chemistry equation appears, and you can add this unit and preview this unit by clicking on it, and it shows the equation and the maths. So now let's test this in a quiz. So we are going to edit our quiz. So we just edit this quiz, and inside the quiz also, since this is the standard editor, you can add the LaTeX, and it is going to convert into the formulas. And we can create a question. So in questions as well, you can add in equations simply by pressing the dollar sign, and then you can type in the equation, and below you can see the equation will appear, and this is how it will appear in the question description. You can add options. So in each of the options you can add the equation. So pressing the dollar sign, and then we have and you can create the question. So once you have created the question, and let's attempt this quiz. So in the quiz description, you can see the math equations appeared, and in the question number 5, where we added the equations, our equations appear correctly. So now is that we can also import the questions. So if we go to the manage questions and download a sample file, and then inside the file we can add in you can use the LaTeX shortcode. So here is our file. and inside the option you can directly use the latex shortcode and type in the formula. So here we have prepared the file, and we can directly export it into a CSV file. And let's import the this file. Clearly we can add this question into a quiz, so we'll edit our existing quiz, and here in the question set we'll add the newly created question which we have imported, and in the enrolled courses we are going to retake the quiz so that we can get the new question set, because automatically the question set will not appear, so we have to first submit the quiz and we'll retake it. And now we can see we have the last question, which is 2, and here you can see we are getting the. So important thing to note is that our latex shortcode should be a complete shortcode. So as you can see, the last square bracket was missing in latex, so it was interpreted as standard text. All the other shortcodes were imported correctly, and we can submit, and you can see that the evaluation happens correctly. So that's it from WPLMS tutorials. Thanks for watching.